all, welcome back to my channel.
It's spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I've like everything is new.
If you're new to this channel, I'm Aprupa Pedanti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button you all. Also, a reminder that we are very close to 250 and we hope that we get there very soon. Okay, so today's video is really exciting. I've kept a poll on my Instagram saying should I do a haul video or should I do a morning routine video, and the majority people have voted for the haul video. So here I am doing it. If you're not following me on Instagram, check it out. The link will be in the description box, and also here you can check all of my socials. So technically, practically, basically everything. I'm so excited because I've been a person who love haul videos, like choosy. I buy things a lot, so I really like haul videos. And for thing, you can see by seeing haul videos you actually get to know how to shop well, you know, how to shop in a correct way. So I actually absolutely love haul videos and I'm super excited to do one, and this is my official first haul video on this channel. So oh my god, I hope you all like it. And yes, with no further blabber, let's just get into the video. So basically I've ordered some clothes online and offline in this lockdown. Konni online ichanu, konni offline ichanu. Offline ante ma inti daggara konni stores akkada. So online I've ordered from two sites. One is Ajio and one is Flipkart. If you guys don't know that I do not buy online clothes a lot. I am a very poor online buyer. I'm not so into, but I buy a lot of offline clothes. So I wanted to try these online shopping stuff. So basically I do not order online clothes, but I order a lot of other stuff like accessories, bags and stuff, but never clothes. So I did it for you all because many have been asking me that which sites do you shop online for clothes. So I've tried out. And also, if you don't know, Ajio and Flipkart had a sale. I guess they're happening now. Even you can check it out. They have their clearance sale going on, and believe me, they have 80, 90, 70% discounts. You can check it out and you can get good clothes at good price and good quality. Yeah. So now let's just dive into the first piece of clothing. Dividing it, first I'll start with the clothes which I bought from Ajio. There are few of them all together. I just want to show which I really feel would be helpful for you all, and the others I'm keeping aside. Not showing. So the first piece of clothing which I bought, basically I wanted to restart my workout regime because I've been on a break. I was not doing, so I thought buying me new clothes will give new energy. So I just ordered some leggings, couple of them. So the first legging which I've ordered, workout wala, is this black legging. You'll get all the clips on the left side of the screen. For you it may be right, I don't know. Okay, so this legging, also disclaimer that I've worn every piece of clothing just because I can give you a better advice and you can get to know more about the clothing. Firstly, talking about the quality of the legging, it's super good. It's so soft, trust me. I wish I could make you feel it, but it's so good. One thing which you have to always check out when you buy workout clothes is adi transparent ga undakudu, ante it should not show your skin. My skin kanpinchkudu, then it is a very good piece. Okay, because workout cheseటప్పుడు you do a lot of squats, you do a lot of body movement. Our moment you should not feel uncomfortable, and that's the only aim you need to check out. So in this legging you can see it is not at all transparent and it is so soft, believe me. And e major trend, you know, a side strap, random side strip something. So this has that. It has this radium and white stripes. Also it has this word written on here. It comes at your calf. It says re-energize, and it's super cool, like seriously. And I've worn this. It's an ankle length legging, and 2 days back I've worn it and I've done my workout even. I just can't tell you how comfortable I am, and that is a sign that it is a good clothing. And the price, I do not remember properly, but you'll get the price in here on the side of the screen, and all the links of all the clothing will be in the description box. You can check it out. So this is the first piece of clothing, and also you can check this, that this has a broad waistband, and that is a good sign of a workout clothing, because ఇప్పుడు మీ స్టమక్ బయటికి పాపప్ అయితే you feel lot uncomfortable, right? So this waistband, what it does is it tucks in your stomach fat and it makes you feel better. So this is what it is, and my size in this is XL and it fits me so perfectly. Now coming to the second piece of clothing of this haul, it's another workout legging. It's again from Ajio. You will get the price here, and this quality, talking about the quality, is so good. You can see it's not at all transparent. It is this gray color legging, I guess you all can see. By the way, these both leggings are from the company Team Spirit. I guess many of you will be knowing it. It's a good one. If you want offline, you can check it on Reliance Trends. They'll have Team Spirit, even Max. This legging is my absolute favorite. Like, you know, when it's common conception that black clothes make you look slimmer, but trust me guys, I wore this yesterday for my workout session. Oh my god, I looked so good. Like, my legs were looking so nice, my body was looking in correct shape, and it just tucked in everything so well that I was so comfortable to dance, to take videos and stuff. And this has a very broad waistline. From here the waistline starts till here, so this is a good sign that it has a good waistline and a broader waistline, so that it tucks in all your fat. And then a ragim strip only, and it doesn't have any stripe on the side. This is also an ankle length legging, and it's good. It's really good for the price I have bought it. So yes, and also I've ordered this in the size XL. Yeah, this is also XL and it fits me perfectly. Now coming to the third piece from Ajio which I've bought is, oh my god, I can't believe that I bought this thing in such a low price. It's a steal, you all. It's a steal. Okay, so basically this is a skirt. This is a high-low skirt. Like, you'll have this uneven hem in the below, and this print, this kind of print is so chic and it's so trending right now that I was shocked seeing this at that price. It was so low. I guess it was for some 600 or something. You'll get all the prices here once again. And firstly, talking about the quality of it, okay, the quality is very good, but one thing is it is a little bit see-through, very little. You just can't make it out a lot, but chala koncham see-through undi. The cloth is thin, but the quality is good, and it has a zipper. You can see here it has a zipper on the side, and this zipper is like an invisible one. It is so good until people cannot know that it has a zip and stuff, but it is so good. I have already tried it. You can see the clips here. I absolutely love it. People who feel you know, you cannot wear short clothes and stuff, try out these kind of chic things. This will suit you a lot. And this being a high waist skirt, I can't tell you how much I love high waist things, because high waist things tucking your stomach so well. Even if you're slim, try high waist, because they give a more definition than mid waist and low waist. I just don't like them. Okay, so this is from the company Trends, like Reliance Trends Walai, and I do not remember which size I took it. I guess it's L or XL, I just don't know. I'll put it here. I'm so sorry that I forgot to remember the size. But this is the third item. I just, yeah, third. And this is all I got from Ajio. Moving on to the next stuff which I bought from Flipkart. So in Flipkart I ordered 4 of them, 3 clothing and 1, I'll let you know what it is. So the first thing from Flipkart are plain basic solid tees, and I have been wanting to buy this from so long, you all, and I bought it. It's a maroon round neck solid plain tee, and oh my god, this price chala takunda. I think it was for 200 or 300, don't remember. And I thought maybe quality in the bag would, because the price is so less, but guys, I was so shocked. the material is so thick. Talking about the quality, it's so thick material, you can see, you can't see anything. And thick kante mari thick kuda kaadu. It is enough, it is more than enough to cover your body, skin, and not show your skin. It's so good. The quality is so good, I have to tell. And this fits me perfectly. I wanted a size which fits me perfectly and not like a very loose baggy tee, because I have more of them and do not have this time. So I've ordered this in size XL again, yeah. And Elantre same t-shirt, I bought it another color. These colors are like so good. So on Instagram right now, it's a mustard color, you can see. And both of them are half hands, and the quality is so good, the stitching is so good. It's not like a poor quality thing at all. It is so good and I absolutely love it. Okay, the next item which I bought from Flipkart is a steal. Again, like I said, that skirt in Ajio, this is like that skirt in Flipkart. Not a skirt, but this is a frock. I don't know what to call this, but this is such beautiful frock. It is I guess this is A-line frock. It comes till my knees and it is a perfect height. If you do not like wearing short clothes, or if you're not allowed to wear short clothes in your home or something like that, it's a good piece. It's a very decent one. Talking about the quality, it is so good. It is so good, not at all transparent, but it doesn't have lining, and it's okay because frocks do not have any point. And if you see this has a waist belt kind of thing here, this one. And that's a good sign that you have bought a good thing, because as I told you previously, it's a good thing to have a waistband. And let me just talk to you about the back of this dress. Oh my god, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like, I just love it. And this is from the company Tokyo Talkies. I guess many of you will be knowing it if you shop from Flipkart. It's quite famous on Flipkart. And I ordered this in the size L, and we'll get the prices here. Oh my god, and it has a good you know, what do I call that fleur thing, not fleur, that swirl thing, that gear, I guess. It has a good amount of fabric down so that you can take good pictures in them. One last thing which I bought from Flipkart is this not off shoulder exactly, but spaghetti strap off shoulder, something top with ruffles like this. Oh my god, if you didn't watch my IGTV, you can watch it. I wore it for a makeup routine there. This, and many people complimented me on this and have been asking me where I bought this. So here I'm spelling it out that I bought this from Flipkart. You'll get the prices there, and it's a beautiful top. And the fabric is also very good. It's not transparent, but now oka backdraw ain't anpichinante that it is the fit is so weird on the neckline. Like, it is very loose on the neckline till from here to here, and kinda not the fitting bondi, but the fitting of the neckline and the chest area is a little bit weird, and it it's like, what do I call it, it is so uncomfortable. But I guess I'll you know, stitch it up and do something, and I'll get some good thing out of it. Ordered this in the size L, and it fits me good except for the neckline, but it's a beautiful one. You can see it has this rose prints and everything, and yeah, it's a good purchase. I like it. Other than these, I bought another t-shirt from that shop, and oh my god, I love it so much. This t-shirt I bought, I just love this radium thing on here, so I bought it. This fits me perfectly, and it is in the size L, and I absolutely love it. It's a body fitting dress t-shirt. I can wear it on my everyday kind of thing. Yeah, I totally forgot. I actually bought one dress night frock from Ajio. I totally forgot about that. It's engraved. You can see this is the night frock, and it has this cute thing written over here that we like always together. So I think that's so cute. You can see that coffee and donuts go together. Oh my god. And this is from the company Hush, and I ordered in the size L, and it's a little bit loose for me, and it comes till my knee. It covers my knee, and it's good to wear loose clothes. Particularly loose clothes with tight it's there so bad. Other than all these, one thing I bought other than clothes is my tripod stand, the new one. Oh my god, you'll get a picture here. I was wanting to buy a tripod stand so badly, and I did end up buying one. It's not so costly. It's a good budget wala, If you want, you can check it out. You'll get the link in the description box. That's it, guys. So these were all the clothes which I've bought online and offline, couple of them. And if you can understand by now, I am not a person who is crazy in brand picture, but if I like something in the branded clothes, I would definitely buy it. Like coming to things like my jeans and stuff, shoes, I buy branded for sure, because I do not like unbranded things in that, because they do not have that much quality. Coming to jeans and what I saw, so now jeans and shoes will be branded, and my bags most of the time. But clothes which I find like these, like some chic, some good, some eye-catchy stuff, I buy them regardless of the brand. So like I always tell you, do not be in the trance of a brand. You get so many things in good quality and good price without being a good brand. So that's my tip, that just don't go behind brands and search for things which are in good quality at good prices. I hope this video helped you a lot, and if you did end up buying some things, I'm so thankful, and I would love to do many more hauls if I buy any. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe, and comment down what's your favorite outfit. And that's it. Do follow on my socials if you're not following me. We are so close to 1600 there. So that's it for today's video, you all. Let's just meet in the next video. Bye, you all.